These are some instructions for the RadCity 5 Plus, the e-bike from the Rad Power Bikes company, which you can also find at radpowerbikes.com. So beginning with the gear shifting, as you can see, just like any other bike, both up and down are on the same side. Now, something that is really cool about this e-bike is that it's not only pedal assist, but it also has a throttle. So you don't even have to pedal, just sit and enjoy. Now, in regard to the pedal assist, there are different levels that you can change with these buttons on the left side. I usually use the level 3 because I like to pedal, but it feels so nice with the assist on level 3. And those little bars you can see on the screen next to the number are the level of the battery, the charge of the battery. I turn off the light, the front light, if I'm biking during the day, just to save a little bit of battery. The battery also has this light indicator, so you can see how much charge is left. You just need to press this button and it'll show you. In this case, it has 6 lights on, so it's at about 60%. And you can charge the battery without removing it from the e-bike. You just need to open this little cover and plug the charger. But if space is an issue to charge the battery, you can also remove the battery from the e-bike with these keys, and then you can recharge it in a different place. The charger will show 2 little red lights when it's charging, and they'll turn green when it's fully charged. Then you can put it back into the bike. It is recommended, according to the Rad Power company, that if you're gonna store the bike for a long period of time, to keep the battery at about 60 to 70%.